everyone, this is Neha Tulsyan from Crescent Creation. Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel.
In today's video, I'm
showing all the new products from Fawn Fall and Winter 2022 release. I am so excited, you guys, because now these products are available at Crescent Creation's website for you to purchase. So go ahead and check them out. But before, check this video out, because this video will give you a close-up to all the products that Fawn has released this fall, and you will be able to decide more easily which products you want and which products you do not want right away. All the links to the products are in the description box below, or you can even visit the blog to see the picture view of the products. And before I jump in showing you all these products, just wanted to let you know two more things. At Crescent Creation, we have decided to do a live card class with Fawn products next month on September 24th. In this live, we are going to make 3 cards using the new Fawn products. And the way you can sign up for this class is very easy. You just have to buy $1.50 worth of Fawn products from our website. So you just buy $1.50 worth of Fawn products before September 24th, and you will be automatically eligible for this live class. Once you make the purchase, you will receive an email within 24 to 48 hours sending you all the details about this class. I promise you, this is the last thing. So if you purchase $1.60 worth of products from our website, you will receive a free stamp set. It's the newly released Snow One Like You stamp set, which I'm going to show you later in this video. So let's just jump in now. This here is the giant thank you messages stamp set and the coordinating die. This is a really nice stamp set if you want to make some quick cards or even want to do some simple coloring. You can stamp or heat emboss these images and do some simple coloring and throw in a stenciled or embossed background, and your card will be ready. Next is the Fangtastic Friends stamp set and the Fangtastic Friend add-on stamp set along with their coordinating dies. How adorable are these bat images? They are just so stinking cute. I don't make a whole lot of Halloween cards, but these 2 stamp sets, I really want them, and I want to make a lot of Halloween cards out of these. And did you check out all the inspirations that Fawn has shown using this stamp set? Oh man, they are amazing. Next here is the absolutely awesome stamp set and the coordinating die. Fawn never disappoints me with these cute mice images. I mean, seriously, how can they create such cute critters every single time? You can create a whole apple farm using this stamp set, and I just cannot wait to use this stamp set. And if you're like me and you do not usually buy coordinating dies with the stamp set, you might want to consider this one, because here the tree and the stair dies will cut all those inside parts of the image, which will just help them look more realistic on your card. Next up is the Frosties stamp set and the coordinating dies. In this set, you get some really nice snowflakes, which is a must-have when you're creating holiday cards, right? You can stamp this image, you can heat emboss it. I actually have a lot of ideas with this stamp set along with a couple more products, which I'm gonna share in a video soon. Next we have the ugly and bright stamp set and the coordinating dies. I always wanted to have a very beautiful and cute ugly sweater stamp set, but I never could find something that would be cute enough and also fit my critters. These sweaters here in the stamp set are just the perfect size. They are gonna fit a whole lot of critters from all your stamp sets. You can mix match so many stamp sets with this particular stamp. Oh man, you're gonna have a blast with this stamp set. Next we have the Snowball Fight stamp set and the coordinating dies. And again, these mice are just so adorable. They will come so much handy when you are creating a scene, a winter scene, where these mice are having a snowball fight. Next we have the Beachy Christmas stamp set and the coordinating dies. With this stamp set you can create some really cool, really hot Christmas cards. I really like how they have added these string of lights around the palm tree and the sand castle. I mean, that's just gonna make the whole card or the whole scene so Christmassy. It's just a perfect stamp set if you want to create some tropical Christmas cards this year. Next is the Simply Celebrate Fall stamp set and the coordinating die. I like the images that they have added in this stamp set: the pumpkin, the ghost, the candy corn, the fall leaves. All of these will go very well just alone on a card if you want to create some simple cards, or you can even use these with other stamp sets and create some beautiful scenes. Next we have the Say What Holiday Critters stamp set and the coordinating dice, and I just love these critters in their winter clothes. They just make me so happy. Next we have the Simply Fall Sentiment stamp set. There are some really nice sentiments here, like Happy Halloween, so grateful for you, have a spectacular day. And last but not the least, we have this stamp set, Snow One Like You, and the coordinating die. In this stamp set we have a bunny and a bear snowboarding. I mean, how cool is that? And this is the stamp set that you're gonna get free if you make a $60 or up purchase on our website until stock lasts. So make sure you don't wait until the last minute. So we're done with the stamp sets and the coordinating dice, and now it's time for the standalone dice. First up here is the Full Moon die set. I mean, this is one of my favorites die from this release. You can do so much with this die, and you can use this all year round, not just for your holiday cards. Next we have the Christmas Palm Tree die. This is a really cute die set to go with your Beachy Christmas stamp set. I really like how Lawn Fawn takes every detail in consideration, and they've added all the possible things you will need to decorate this palm tree for Christmas, like the string lights, ornaments. Next we have the Giant Outlined Merry and Bright die. This is one of those dies that will cover your complete note card front. It measures 3 3/4 by 5 inches, so this will leave just a 1/4 inch border all around your note card, and will look very beautiful. And this is one of the dies that you would want to have if you want to create some cards in bulk, some quick cards, because then you can just die cut these, add on a card front, and you're good to go. And Lawn Fawn has two of these. One is the Merry and Bright on the left and Overt Fun on the right. One goes landscape on your card and the other one portrait, so you have a little bit of variation there too. Next we have the Snow Flurries backdrop die set. This is one of the famous designs from Lawn Fawn's backdrop dies, to have a border all around your card with these backdrop dies, and then you can add any sentiment or add more details in the center of the card. Next we have the Sunflower Magic Iris add-on die, and create some really cute interactive sunflower cards out of this die. Then we have the Build a Barrel Apple die set. This die set will create some really cute barrels for you to add apples or any other fruit or vegetables you want, along with the cute critters of Lawn Fawn. Then we have the Build a Snowman die set. It has 2 snowmans along with some really cute accessories to build or create your own snowman this season. You'll have so much fun assembling these snowmen. You can even have your kids craft with you, and they will have so much fun creating some cute snowmans out of this die. Next is the Tiny Gift Box Jack-o'-lantern add-on die. After adding all the critters to this tiny box line, I think this Jack-o'-lantern die is amazing idea. You can create some really cute Jack-o'-lantern gift boxes and add some treats in them and share them on Halloween. Sentiment dies. This release we have 3 sentiment dies: Trick or Treat, Happy Fall, and Happy Hanukkah die sets. I personally love these giant sentiments die from Lawn Fawn. On each of these sentiment dies from Lawn Fawn, I mean, they are so adorable and I love to add them to all my cards. Up are the, well, I want to first finish all the dies and then come back to these hot plates. Yes, Lawn Fawn has hot plates too now. I'll get back on those just in few minutes. So here is the Pumpkin Wagon die set with the cute wagon and the pumpkins to create some really adorable wagon cards. And another one is the Deck the Cars die set. Next we have 2 border dies this release: Simple Stitched Tree border die and the Apple border die. Next they have added 2 add-on dies for the Platform Pop-up die. This here is the Platform Pop-up Hillside Wrap Around die. The small die set is the platform pop-up hillside inserts die. Next up we have the reveal wheel apple add-on die set and the template. And that finishes all the dies from this release. Fawn has introduced some hot foil plates in this release, and I cannot be much happier. They have 3 different designs here. They have a full plate which is in the center, the snowflake background hot foil plate. On the right is the snowflake duo hot foil plates with 2 different sizes of snowflakes for hot foiling, and on the left is the winter big scripty words hot plates. This actually has a matching stamp set and a die from past release, so you can totally use them together, especially the coordinating die. You can totally use that coordinating die along with this hot plate. I haven't actually matched them, but with the first glance I could tell that they coordinate. To know for sure, let me know in the comment section below and I can match them for you. Now moving on to the paper pads, this here is the Nitpicky Petite Paper Pack 6x6 size. I like Lawn Fawn paper pads a lot, and this one is no exception. The beautiful sweater patterns or the knitted patterns here are just gorgeous, and I love the colors that they have added. That you get both the sizes 12x12 and 6x6, so you can use for card making or scrapbooking. Next we have this Let It Shine paper pads. It has some very beautiful and shiny foiled patterns, and I just love all the colors that they have added. I mean, they are so adorable for all kinds of sky. Then we have these 2 cardstock packs. The top one here is the metallic cardstock in rose gold color, and you can see the beautiful shine and also my face. And this one here is the textured canvas cardstock in brown. You get 5 different shades here. They have the ink cubes pack called the Sandy Shore. The colors in here are Sugar Cookie, number 2 pencil, kiddie pool and rainforest. Lastly we have the 2 embossing powders in black and unicorn sparkle. The camera doesn't do justice to this embossing powder because this unicorn sparkle really has some good sparkle in it. I probably will show you these in action in my coming videos. So these are all the products from the new Lawn Fawn Fall and Winter 2022 release. All of these products are available at Crescent Creations shop. The shop link along with other links are in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to make a purchase on our website to get signed up for the live class. Gonna be a fun class with lots of crafting and chatting. Thank you for visiting. Until next time, happy crafting.